Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on tourism in Jamaica. Now, Royalton, that operates 4 hotels in Jamaica, is opening up a new hotel in Runaway Bay. Royalton operates 2 hotels in Trelawney and 2 hotels in Negril. And they recently bought out the Jewel Jamaica Grand in Runaway Bay, and they're going to be refurbishing the hotel to open it up as a Royalton hotel. It should open sometime in 2026. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what Royalton plans to do. But do you guys realize that almost every week you hear about a new airline flying to Jamaica, or a new route for an existing airline to fly to Jamaica, a new hotel opening up in Jamaica? The tourism industry in Jamaica is doing very well. It is continuing to grow, and almost every major hotel chain has a presence in Jamaica or is looking to have a presence in Jamaica. And those that are already here, they are expanding. They are building more hotels. Ria currently has 7 hotels in Jamaica. Secrets, they are expanding. Royalton, they are expanding. Grand Bahia, they are expanding. The one in Hanover, what's Grand Palladium, they are expanding. And the hotels that are being built, massive hotels. Grand Princess Resorts, 2,000 rooms. So tourism is doing extremely well in Jamaica. TUI Global Hospitality Fund has expanded its Caribbean portfolio with the acquisition of the former Jewel Paradise Cove in Runaway Bay, Jamaica. This investment marks a significant move for TUI, further strengthening its presence in the region while reinforcing Jamaica's status as a prime destination for luxury all-inclusive tourism. The redevelopment of the property into the Royalton Chic Jamaica Paradise Cove, set for completion in late 2026, underscores the continued confidence international investors have in the island's tourism sector. The new Royalton Chic Jamaica Paradise Cove will undergo a major transformation to align with the brand's upscale experience-driven hospitality concept. The resort, currently offering over 225 rooms, will be enhanced with the addition of 120 new Diamond Club beachfront suites, bringing the total to 345 suites. Once complete, the property will join the prestigious Autograph Collection, Marriott's premium selection of unique high-end hotels. According to TCU's announcement at the ITB Berlin, one of the world's largest travel and tourism trade fairs, this investment highlights Royalton Resort's impact on the all-inclusive industry. Royalton already operates 4 properties in Jamaica, including 2 resorts in Negril and 2 in Trelawney, making its latest addition a strategic expansion. The acquisition and redevelopment of Jewel Paradise Cove into the Royalton Chic Jamaica Paradise Cove represent a major step forward for Jamaica's tourism industry. TUI's investment, alongside Royalton's expansion, signals strong international confidence in the island's economic and hospitality landscape. As the resort prepares to open in late 2026, it is expected to set a new standard in luxury, strengthen Jamaica's tourism offerings, and drive further economic growth. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.